Hi, I'm Nick with Skog at Kust, and this is the BackSåk Pro. BackSåk Pro is our flagship waterproof backpack. It is made from 420D ripstop nylon, coated with TPU, and assembled using heat tape seams. The main compartment holds 35 liters and comes in several color options. The outside features a large, airtight, and fully waterproof pocket, which is suitable for easy access items like money, an ID, or small electronics like a phone or GPS. Elastic pockets on each side of the bag are the perfect place to hold a water bottle. Reflective elements on the bag allow you and your bag to be more easily spotted in low light conditions. BackSåk Pro features a ribbed and padded EVA foam back support, adjustable shoulder straps, an adjustable sternum strap, and an adjustable and removable waist strap. On the inside, you'll find a laptop sleeve, which can hold most 15-inch class laptops, along with a large zippered pocket, a mesh pocket, and a key clip, so you can keep your gear organized. The inside of the BackSåk Pro is lined with white TPU, making items at the bottom of your bag much easier to spot. Sealing the main compartment is simple. Fill the bag and align the top edges, fold over tightly at least 3 times, then buckle the clip on the sides. Finally, adjust the straps as needed. When properly sealed, the main compartment provides IPX6 waterproof protection, and it also floats. For more information, please see our listing.